Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marin Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your heated seats in your 2017 Chevy Colorado. So, in order to access this feature, we must first go to the center console, and it should be on the bottom side of the center console. Once you do have two options on how to heat up your seats. One is on your torso. It starts off as high, medium, and low, and then off to when you press it again. And this will activate your torso and your leg side of the seat. Same goes with the sequence, high, medium, low, and then off. Same goes on the passenger side, just like that. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marin Acura, and thank you guys for watching.